everyone. Good evening. Well, I don't know what time it is where you are. So this is another video, another tutorial, just something more you can know about InterLang. Now, if you're testing InterLang, which most of you should be doing, and that's the development process. So during your testing phase, you might encounter a challenge, which I'm going to walk you through right now. So I'm going to start. I'm going to run npm run dev so we can see it work. Okay. Now I didn't change anything from the last code, so it's basically the same thing. But I just want to show you something, an issue that might come up. Yeah. So I'm going to select a language. I don't know. I just like selecting the French language, so I'm going to select French, right? Now I'm going to change language. Oh, wow. There's an error. What does it say? You either have an incorrect API key, or if you're in test mode, make sure you've added your current IP address. Now, like I said the last time, which obviously is still the same thing, I'm in test mode. I'm using my test API key. So the problem is not the API key. The problem is I'm in test mode. All right. Now, how do we solve this problem? How do we solve this error? You can also see the error in your console. If you check, if we check the console, we see the error. You either have an incorrect API key, or if you're in test mode, make sure you've added your current IP address. Yeah. So how do we solve this error? The reason we're having this error is I'm going to go, well, I have not even signed in. So I'm going to sign into my InterLang account. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my API keys. Now, I've already created a test API key, as you can see here. But I'm seeing this button here. It says add current IP address. Now, how the test works is obviously you have to use it from your current IP address. That's why it's a test API. It's not your main API. So for me to remove that error, I have to click on this button to add my current IP address. And once I add it, I can then use my current IP address to send request to translate the page I want to translate. But this isn't a restriction when you're in test mode. Once you have your it's not a restriction when you are in live mode, when you have your main API key, when using your main API key. Obviously, it's a main API key, so it's designed for production. This, on the other hand, is designed for testing. So in order for you to do this, you have to add your current IP address. And once you've added it, you shouldn't run into this problem again. Once you are using that current IP address, you can easily use InterLang on the test mode. Okay, now I'm just going to change my network back to the IP address that is linked to InterLang. Okay, and I'm there, so I'm just going to reload. And see in my current network that my current IP address is connected. I can't believe I'm actually showing my IP address live on camera, and obviously it comes back that my IP address is connected. Okay, so now if I go back to the local application, right, obviously I stopped it. Let me run it again. npm run dev. Right. So go back to the normal application. Right. And now when I send the request, because my IP address is currently connected. When I send the request, just a matter of seconds. Yeah, translate. Okay, so in case you run into that error, you just know what to do. Just add your current IP address, and that solves it. Okay, until next time, until the next time we see, or you see what I the video I make. Yeah, bye.